Hello friends, welcome to Supan Tech YouTube channel. This video discuss about by UPC codes for Amazon, a detailed guide and how to avoid shortcut traps. You might have come across UPC codes for Amazon as a 12 little digit hiding under a barcode, maybe while swiping thoughts, listening image or in package. These boring details surely did not evoke intrigue, but here the reality check. There's the velvet rope security at Amazon's club, no legit UPC, no entry to your product in the marketplace unless you have an RCBP, aka Amazon Brand Registry. That's why understanding UPC code for Amazon is important. Choose you get to know where to grab the right ones when you might qualify for getting exemptions and why choose to go good to be true margins, barcodes or a disaster waiting to happen. If you've been wondering how do I get a UPC code for Amazon, here's your chance to learn about it in detail. We are about to break down everything you need to know so your product goes live the first time without any suspension. The threats shenanigans. What are UPC codes? The UPC Universal Product Codes is a 12 digits identifiers that is printed below the barcodes of a registered product. UPC code for Amazon is globally recognized and helps you identify products at checkout on digital marketplaces such as Amazon's. This also helps store inventory level data, fostering better segmentations for Amazon sellers. A UPC codes is often required to list new products, especially if they have not already been cataloged on the platform. Different between UPC codes on Amazon and GTINs. Chitin's global state item numbers, it's regarded as an umbrella terms of all globally used products identifiers. The recognized UPC codes such as UPC 12 digit numerical code predominantly is the US and Canada. In 13 digit internationally used, not specific to the US and Canada. ISBN used for books, Jan prevalent in Japan. All come under GTIN. So when you are tagging with UPC code for Amazon, know that you are essentially working with a GTIN, which is just more specific. Behind the scenes at Amazon's, they're like siblings, same DNA, just dressed differently, often depending on the regions or product types. How to find UPC code on Amazon? Amazon does not make it easy to find UPC codes on listening anymore. Most products pages won't show them, but every product or Amazon has an Essence Amazon's internal ID, and in many scenes that Essence is tied the UPC, and even if it's not publicly invisible. Do you need to UPC to sell product on Amazon? In most gives you yes to need a UPC code for Amazon marketplace. This especially hold true when you're creating a new product listing, essentially adding new product to Amazon catalog. But there are other aspects to consider for a specific answer, and it's depend on your selling model, your product category, and the whether's brand registers. If you are using Amazon FBA, then you usually needs to print the UPS barcode directly on your product's packaging or apply codes. Say you choose the not a print the UPC barcode on your product's product may packaging. You still need to enter a valid UPC when you creating the listing unless you've been granted a GTIN exemptions. How to generate an Amazon UPC code for product? Generating a UPC code for Amazon correctly is crucial. In this segment, we'll walk you through the different methods to generate or buy UPC codes for Amazon, ensuring They meet Amazon's listening requirements. How to buy a UPC code for Amazon from GS1. GS1 Global Standard 1 database is an Amazon recognized source for purchasing UPC code for Amazon. If you have the budget and creatively looking to avoid third party resellers that sell non GS1 barcodes, it is your way to go. Head over to GS1 website and tap get the barcodes guidance. Apply for a GS1 company prefix. The prefix is essential parts of each UPC code on Amazon. Choose your plan and tap add to cart. Consider pricing and until it's start around $250 years for a small number of products, 10 units and varies. GS1 company perfects pricing. Adds company to contacts, performance details. Once you have access to GS1 prefix for your product, add an items references number for to each product's variant. For example, if your product comes in size variant and 5 colors, you will require P3x5. 15 UPC codes for Amazon in total, so adds the prefix and item references to create a full 12 digit UPC for each of the 15 variants. GS1 will help generate its the corresponding barcode image. Can I sell on Amazon without a UPC? Yes, you can sell without a UPC code for Amazon. You have to apply for a GTIN exceptions and get it proved. Here's how to apply for a GTIN exceptions. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for GTIN exceptions. Get approval for your brand name. This is the first necessary steps to list your branded product without a GS1 GTIN. Start creating your product listening in the add a product tool. Fill in your brand name in the required field. Indicate no product ID. Select the options I do not have a product ID and click next. You will then see two error messages: brand name approval required and UPC exceptions required or GTIN exception required. A pop-up will appear indicators UPC exceptions approval. Amazon's now prefers to GTIN exception as UPC exceptions. This means you have guaranteed finalize your listening. The exception usually takes up to 1 hour to take effect. If you are unable to submit your listenings immediately, save it as a draft to effects. If you are unable to submit it, what do you do once you have to GS1 UPC code? Once you have received your UPCs from GS1's accounts and US data, choose the product category. Use the category selector for a search. Choose most relevant and accurate category for your products. Make sure you to choose the category carefully to avoid delays approvals. It might also affect your discoverability. Fill out the vitals performance and keep product names considered keywords. What does Amazon check for in your UPC codes for Amazon? Amazon runs UPC to brand verification using the GS1 database. Your UPC prefix must match the brand names. Listen, if they don't match, you may come across pop-ups that will invalidate your UPC. So you must be thinking, why go for GS1 if you can get free UPC code for Amazon in the market? You are not wrong. There are plenty of third party sellers from where you can buy UPC codes for Amazon in bulk at a cheaper rate or even generate free UPC codes for Amazon. But are they legitimate? Amazon sellers the surely thoughts before about with a GS1 purchase. Listening errors on Amazon's. Why attempting to create listenings to Amazon with the non GS1 codes? highly required the encounter errors for Amazon as worthless. Final thoughts. UPC code aren't exactly the sexiest part of the selling on Amazon. They are no existing product research or ads strategy, but here that's their essentials. So if you in the post this for long haul, then you treat your UPC strategy like the foundation of your Amazon business, because that's exactly what it is. Post by and add comments UPC codes for Amazon, a detailed guide for how to avoid shortcut trap. सो गाइस आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं आपको अगली वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए बाय।